How to unarchive a story on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to bring an old story back to life, either as a fresh post or saved to your highlights. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile picture at the bottom center of your home screen. After that, tap the 3 lines from your profile, then tap Archive. At this point, make sure you're on the Stories tab within your archive. Following this, scroll through and find the story you want to bring back, then tap on it to open it. From here, tap the 3 dots at the bottom right of the story. At this stage, you'll see 2 options: Share to Story, which reposts it as a brand new story, or Add to Highlight, which saves it permanently to a highlight on your profile without reposting it. Following this, tap whichever option fits what you're going for. If you choose Share to Story, it'll go live immediately, just like a new story. If you choose Add to Highlight, you can either add it to an existing highlight or create a new one right from that screen. That's how you unarchive a story on Instagram. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.